APT command line interface like yes/no input? Is there any short way to achieve what the APT, Advanced Package Tool, command line interface does in Python? I mean, when the package manager prompts a yes/no question followed by yes/no, the script accepts yes/y/yes/y or enter, defaults to yes as hinted by the capital letter. The only thing I find in the official docs is input and raw_input. I know it's not that hard to emulate, but it's annoying to rewrite skeptical.
As you mentioned, the easiest way is to use raw_input, or simply input for Python 3. There is no built-in way to do this. From recipe 577058. For Python 2, use raw_input instead of input. Usage example.
I do it this way.
You can use clicks confirm method. This will print. Should work for Python 2/3 on Linux, Mac or Windows. Docs, this URL.
There is a function strtbool in Python standard library, this URL. You can use it to check users' input and transform it to true or false value.